Neshu, and today we're going to talk about tongue. My project is about tongue. Our tongue has the strongest muscles of our body. The muscles are very strong. Our tongue has taste buds. It detects the taste of the thing we're eating. For example, we're eating a lollipop. We eat it with the front of our tongue, where it's sweet. We eat it, it tastes sweet. It sends a signal to our brain that it tastes sweet. It tells us that it's sweet. It's like the same as all of it, but if you eat the same as each taste, it will give you the signal to your brain that it's that taste.
Hello everyone, my name is Nas Pezad in Clever Private School. Today I created this project which is about the math cities. You can see most of the shapes here such as cone, pyramid, rectangular prism and sphere and much more.